When we were trying to think through the notion of a university, Claremont Lincoln University, it became critically clear to us that the differences that exist among us, in our context, at first it was religious differences, but then it came to be cultural differences, racial differences, whatever kind of differences existed between us. The world needed a way to make those differences a source of strength and not a cause of war and conflict. Well, how do you do that? And our answer was, well, the golden rule, you treat other people the way you would like to be treated. And if you do that, it turns out that there are a lot of kind of unintended wonderful consequences. You get all of these other good things happening. But folks didn't know how to do that.
The Claremont Lincoln University as a legacy?
Yeah, my late great friend David Lincoln and I had this idea that we would create a graduate university, the likes of which never existed before, that actually taught people not just that the golden rule was important, but how on earth do you apply the golden rule? What does it take to do that? And no one had really asked that question and developed a curriculum around it. And so out of that radical idea came the Claremont Core, and our effort to found a university turned into Claremont Lincoln University. We have students, we now have graduates who are out, and in fact, it turns out that when they learn what Claremont University has to teach them, they go out and change the world. And we have all these examples of how they have gone out to change the world. You know, we share that with them. Our students are, in a way, just extensions now of who we are as an educational institution. And we're part of their success. And if every one of us did our part to make the world better, just our little part, well, suddenly the whole world would begin to get better. And that's what's happening now because of what we're teaching at Claremont Lincoln. And I hope and suspect that other universities will begin to follow suit and teach what we teach among the things that they're already teaching. If we can't sit down and collaborate and work together across those differences that in the end shouldn't make any difference in how we treat one another or how we're able to work together. That's why the world needs what Claremont Lincoln can teach students how to do. If we can teach our students how to understand themselves, be self-confident, be able to sit down with people who are different in any way and talk to them in a non-threatening way and listen to them without being threatened, and then begin to collaborate with them to work on common needs, they'll begin to make the world a better place.